black rats, as big as cats, roaches, land crabs, snakes seeking body warmth, tusked boars, corpse-eating crocodiles, tree kangaroos, and monkeys made their own sounds. Leeches and spiders stayed quiet, as did the soldiers even in daylight. Swarming mosquitoes, chiggers, gnats, and flies brought malaria, scrub typhus, dysentery, and dengue fever. Ambulance service for sick or wounded came as stretchers, borne by fuzzy wuzzies, the deeply compassionate, wild-haired indigenous people who often wept when their patient died. Japanese soldiers, following the Bushido military code treating surrender as dishonor, moved about from vine-covered concrete-lined log bunkers engineered with fire lanes coordinating machine guns at perimeters P, at Papa, Quebec, Romeo, Sierra, Tango, and U.